In this video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Sigma 24-70 DGDN 2.8 art lens. I'm stepping up my game. This is the most expensive lens I bought so far, and thanks to Black Friday, I actually got a good deal. But without further ado, let's jump in the box and see how the Sigma lens looks like. I'm very excited, and hopefully we won't be disappointed. I actually see on the top of the box here, it says up to 5 years warranty. And I think actually that is for the Nordic countries. You get 2 years warranty and plus 3 years if you register within 60 days after purchase in the Nordic countries. So if you live in the Nordic countries, tip for you. Okay, let's open it up. I'm gonna take care of the box because if I want to sell the lens, I think it's a good deal for the new owner to actually get the box and everything with it. So some usual paper that we don't read, as always. If we take a look inside here, then we get a box and a strap. So not sure what I'm gonna use that for, but okay. The box is very good to store the lens in, and nothing more. And if we open it, here it is, the golden, nice isolation. So it's well protected. That's a good thing. If you see inside it, the polstering is very good, so it doesn't get hurt on the transport. You know, the different companies maybe just kick it or throw it in the van, and then it's up to the gods if it survives. But here Sigma actually have thought about the transportation of the lens by you or anyone else, so it keeps safe. So that's quite good. And here we have the beauty, heavy, that I feel at once. I think it's around 830 grams or something like that. Correction comes here somewhere. And the first look, here we see, I think on the bottom there, that's the lock option. So if you don't wanna, let's see, if I turn it on like that, you can't move the ring here, but if I turn it off, I can zoom like that from 24 to 70. So that's actually a good thing with the lock, so you don't accidentally let it fall out and maybe get hurt by other equipment in the bag or something like that under transportation. So lock that, and then we have AFL, I think autofocus lock, if I'm not wrong, and I think that button is possible to code for your use. And then you have the autofocus and manual focus on and off. So a quite nice feature there on the lens. Then I see on the top here something that I missed on my other lenses, a good lens cap, and this one stays on, and it's very durable also. Yeah, okay, maybe I didn't lock it. Yeah, so that's quite good, first impression. So take it off, look at the glass, beautiful, nice and clear. There has been a problem with the Sigma 24-70 DGDN, or maybe not DGDN, but in general the 24-70 art lens, that it stored what you call it, dust inside the lens because of the sealings were too bad in the lens. But this has been fixed. I think it's from the serial number 50 2560 or something like that. I'm gonna do a correction here so you can see and check your lens if you have a old lens, if you need to maybe use your warranty and get it fixed. Because I think Sigma has said that if you have a bad lens with a dust problem, they will fix it on the warranty. I've checked my serial number, and that's far after the problem. So inside this one, it should be okay. I shouldn't have any dust problems. But if I get a dust problem, I'm gonna make a video about it, so we can know that even if they fix the problem is actually still there. But hopefully not. So first impression, heavy. That can be a problem for somebody if you're going to do a whole day of shooting. But for me, if I do video, it's actually a good thing for me, because I figured out that the stabilization, it's much easier if you have a heavier lens than if you have a tiny lens, because it's much easier to be moving all over the place. So for video, I think actually it's a good thing for me, at least. So that was actually it. I'm going to do some technical aspects in the end of the video, so you can read about that if you're interested in that. I don't care, because for me, all that matters is how it looks and how it handles when I use it. In the next videos, I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna do some landscape and different sort of photography, and hopefully we will see the sharpness that this lens has from our reputation, and if actually it works for me, because I am basically a prime shooter. I don't like zoom lenses very much, because I like to move around, don't stand still and zoom into the composition. So it's going to be interesting to see if I fall in love with this lens. So until next video, I hope you enjoy this one. It's not much, but I have to do unboxing because everybody else does it, and it's something I can learn. But I actually forgot something. The lens hood, or what you call it, the sun flare protection, quite massive. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. We take it off like that. So the first impression, it's solid, it's nice and easy to turn the rings around, or what you call it. Maybe this focus can be a little bit too loose, but try and fail, see how it works. And it feels robust, good quality. I've heard some things about this one, that it tears down very easily. So if you buy one and take a look at the front here, if it starts flaking or something like that. I've heard some people complain about that. Yeah, that was it. Very easy. I'm gonna mount it on the camera so you can see how that looks like. And until next time, hopefully I see you, and remember to subscribe.